Good morning, students. Today we will take the chapter of honeycomb, 7th chapter, the invention of beta bomb. The writer of this story is Roald Dahl. The invention of beta bomb. Yes. Who are the oldest people you know? Do you know any people who are the oldest? What are the oldest things you have in your house, in your city, town or village? How old are they? Have you ever wished that you were older? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? So students, the invention of beta bomb. Beta bomb is a medicine invented by Mr. Willy Wonka, who that makes people younger. So first of all, I am telling you the summary of this story. Mr. Willy Wonka, who was a scientist, he invented a Wonka bite which made people younger, but it was very powerful medicine that many people disappeared after their age went in minus. One person even became minus 87. The poor fellow had to wait 87 years to come back. Willy Wonka decided to invent a new thing to undo the harm he had to make people old. He wanted to know what the oldest living thing in the world was, what lived longer than anything else. His assistant Charlie named Tree, but the question emerged, which tree? It was certainly not the fir of Orchida. It was a tree called Bristlecone that grew in Nevada, USA. Such trees were 4,000 years old. Wonka got into his great glass elevator and rushed all over the country. He collected special items from the oldest living things. He took a pint of sap from the bristlecone pine, the toenail clippings from a 168 years old Russian farmer, an egg laid by 200 years old tortoise, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat, and so on. Mr. Wonka tracked down very old animals and took a bit of something from each one of them. In the end, he boiled and tasted the product in his inventing room. He produced one small cup full of black liquid. He gave 4 drops of it to a brave young volunteer, Oompa Loompa, to see what happened. What was the result? Charlie asked. Mr. Wonka said that the effect of the medicine was swift and very fantastic. The moment that young man gulped down those drops, he began growing old and wrinkled. His hair dropped off and his teeth also started falling out. In an instant, the 20-year-old boy became an old man of 75. In this way, beta bomb was invented. So students, I think you are able to understand the story of the invention of beta bomb. Thank you.